we just got to the drift area, and we actually haven't been here. We didn't get a chance to come yesterday. So drift cars and track cars and show cars all built very different. All car enthusiasts, but you know, they're built to pretty much go sideways and get beat up.
Yeah, it takes a while to get there.
So all the drift cars, I think I'll take a little break. I'd love to see them rip sideways. So we're here at the drift area. I think it's pretty cool. So right now everyone's on a little break. Break for about another 45 more minutes. This thing's pretty rad. Same for Trek. So everyone's taking lunch right now, getting a little break. And then we'll be back to drifting action here in a bit.
On the Vegas
Got food here. Catfish looks pretty good. Just waiting for drifting. So food, drinks, while waiting.
What is it called?
And guess who came to join? Wifey came to join me here. So now everyone's getting rowdy. They're about to do ride-alongs as well as drifting. So this should be pretty fun. Saw some action. Friend Austin, I'm about to go for a ride along with There's 240. FDR 7 is so nice too. It's more a show car. FD so cool. It's more like a show car though. He's gonna ride this one. The feuding showed us car. The boy Chris just went for a ride along. Mean. That green 240 looks so mean. since '86. Looks good, man. Having fun? Having fun?
Yeah.
Man.
Having a good time.
Kill it out there.
Hey.
Chris is where? Back in the car show area. Wifey trying to walk around. She just got here. And I think awards and car show is going to end pretty soon. Your favorite car here?
This one.
Are you sure? Back in the car show area. See some guys in the Type R's from Houston. Back in the car show area, just walking around, showing wifey around. A lot of cars. 400Z.
What's going on? This expensive car got stuck. McLaren, what's up, brother?
Between, yeah.
Series called Neutral Starts 19 years to one of on tour pro from your motorsports in the 70s.
Fuck that! That fucking truck did that shit.
I'll tell a sticker. And big shout out to my man over here. Hooking it up. But yeah, we're just waiting for awards. It's gonna be a little bit longer. So those of you guys who came out to see the Mitsubishi, big thank you. I know a lot of people have been coming to take photos and talk about it. Check it out. I think next year we might not take this car. We'll still want to do Super Lab Battle, but the plan is to hopefully have the S1000 ready enough to take it to the show.
The feelings I can hear the money calling. We
Old school Honda Civic.
Check. If anybody found a single key, there's a key.
Alright, so just had my name call out. Pretty unexpected, but took home an award, so pretty cool. We don't have the physical awards, but they will be sending it, so pretty cool.
The tank is carbon fiber and these lines are fucking clean. The trunk setup is a little simple, but I like it because it goes. I don't like the mats. But I'll go with it because it goes. It's a little VIP. I get it. It's this Turco S2000. This car has many first place awards and most of the events, but it's never won the best of show. It's the only thing that's this car's
So
missing.
best of show candidate number 1, this Kia.
And Spencer, you asked me earlier what was it, and I said I'm not going to tell you until I do it this way because I want you to see. Very undersplitter.
Contestant number 2 for best of show. This purple S2000.
A lot of the leather, the swing tub is all faded. It's carbon fiber doors. There's a piercing in the middle of this thing. The only thing I don't like with the trunk is that the backboards don't match. It's uneven. It's not a one piece. It's not flawless. It's like not fully put together. And I think you have a lot of improvement in the trunk setup.
Alright, so we are all done with the show. I won an award, so really humbled to take home one of the top 20 specialty awards. And it's no categories, but they just choose pretty much out of like 300 something builds, 20 of the best ones that they really like. So yeah, big thank you to the guys, Just Vibes. You guys already know I'll be here next year again. I plan to take another car here next year, so I might be retiring this car as the show car for this specific event. But if you guys like it, make sure to leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.